Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you top 5 free websites to download free game for PC. So if you're trying to look for a free website where you can download the PC game to your PC, here are the available top 5 websites. So in this video I'm going to reveal those 5 websites to you, and I'm going to start with Epic Game Store. So these websites, they provide free games for PC. So you just go to epicgamestore.epicgame.com. You can see in my bar here, and you can easily go to the website. This website is where you can download the software to your PC, and you can try and sign into their website. Then you can see the available games here that you can use for the games on your PC. They are awesome. Some are free, some are paid. They are all awesome. Like free weekly games, regular games. It always gives the popular title like GT5 and other games like that. They are wonderful. And the other website you also want us to check is the itch.io, which is also a gaming platform. It's okay, very nice. A very nice website for gaming. Its focus is on digital platform for distributing, downloading, and buying games, assets, and software. It is beloved by creators and gamers alike for its emphasis on creativity and community. The website is okay. It also has a support for creators, and also it supports all the platform. Maybe you are a macOS, you are a Windows, and you are a Linux user. You could definitely enjoy this particular website for your gaming. Then the other one I have GOG. GOG is also a good old game platform. It's a digital game distribution platform by CD Projekt, known for its user-friendly approach for focus on DRM-free gaming. So there are some important key features based on this website. They're extremely free and classic titles. So they are free with classic titles. It also works seamlessly with other platforms, like if you are a macro, you are Windows user, Mac or Linux. It works perfectly laptop, and it also works perfectly on Galaxy, and it is awesome. So that's it. If I need helpful, I can follow from you.